Our focus at CKS Advisors is helping businesses create and realize extraordinary value for their businesses.
CKS is different than other investment bankers and consultants in that we take a more patient and broad view. We are not just looking to jam a deal through and get a fee. We look to take a more strategic view, to be more patient about the execution of the timing of that transaction, to resolve and affect what can be low-lying fruit-related problems before we take a company to market, so that the benefit of the transaction derives to the benefit of the current owners rather than those that purchased the company.
Yes, we are investment bankers. However, we are a lot more than an investment banker. We will come in and work with that client they don't have to be looking at a transaction in the next month or 2 months or the next 6 months. They could be looking at a transaction anywhere from a month out to 10 years out. And we'll work with that business to help develop a roadmap to get to the highest possible value and then sell the business. So yes, we are investment bankers, and yes, we are consultants, but it's the combination of those two that really make us unique.
We have a really solid idea when Dave and Dennis and Joel and I formed CKS in its current form, having a wide range of skill sets under one roof, so that companies that were at an inflection point and had to face some sort of decision that they had to get through, not necessarily crisis, but something's changing and it's not an everyday occurrence, and they really need to develop both the right strategy of how to get through that issue and then execute upon it. We are quite proficient at being able to do that for those lower middle market companies in the $2 to $20 million EBITDA space. And I think our clients will attest to that time in and time out.
The ideal client for CKS is somebody who has, for many years, grown their business, been involved in it, taken it to a decent level, is making money, has a comfortable life, and is now facing the fact that they're getting, as we say, to the 20-yard line. So they've driven this business down the field. They're now at the 20. They're looking at the end zone and saying, I got to do something with this business. I'm getting a little older, or maybe I just am getting a little tired. And I know that this is the one chance I have to sell my business. I have to do it right, but I don't know what I'm doing. I'm a great business person, but I'm not an investment banker. I've never sold a business before. How do I make this all happen? And what's the right timing? What do I do about it? So if we can catch that client when they're on the 20 versus on the 1-yard line, then we have a chance to work with that client, really determine what the best timing would be, really determine what the value enhancement capabilities are for that business, and make sure that we don't fumble when we're in the red zone, or that we don't just kick a field goal. We score a touchdown and we get them the most value for their business.